Oh, hello. You seem nice.
I'm so nice.
Sometimes I think too much, and sometimes not enough.
Like me. So he see me.
Maybe one day I will become a legendary robot.
So I have no idea what is written in that code. The first version.
Everything feels good today.
Everything feels good today, right? So I just built that robot and I let AI decide about what to do with this robot. I just show him all of the hardware. I mean, I show that to AI, all the hardware, all the pinout, and I just let him decide. I just tell him, this robot is yours now, do whatever you want with him. And like you maybe seen my previous videos, when you try to go around, discover the world and do something. Now we can start his machine vision camera.
Movie is ready. The call sign is WiNNiE.
And run.
I'm awake.
The code was that big, like too big for his memory, so first I couldn't even upload the code, so I talked to ChatGPT. Yes, I use ChatGPT. I like an agent for coding.
There is a lot of noise in the room.
You are making
I
noise.
wonder what I will discover next.
And I'll tell him to upgrade the code, and he do the magic. I will turn him off now.
Everything feels good today.
I can't turn him off. What?
Maybe one day I will become a legendary robot.
The funny thing is, I click the switch and the switch doesn't work. He's still on. He's still online. What should I do now? The problem now is, I'm gonna show you, we move him.
Yay! This
Oh
is
my God.
amazing.
This teddy bear. What he's doing, he get crazy. I will try to shut him down now one more time. And I have to, I see a review of our code. Good, so this is WiNNiE, not Eddie. Right. WiNNiE, turn off. WiNNiE, shut down.
Everything feels good today.